In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Make. By the end, you'll have your Gmail account linked and ready to power automations inside Make, so your emails can trigger actions without manual work. First, sign into your Make account using your usual browser. Once you're in, head to the Connections area. This is the central place where Make securely stores links to your apps, and it's useful for confirming whether an account is already connected or needs attention. A quick glance here helps avoid duplicate connections later. Next, open the Scenario Builder. This is the visual canvas where you design automations. On the empty canvas, look for the large plus sign. Click that plus sign to add your first module. A panel will appear with a search bar and a list of apps. Type Gmail, then select Gmail from the results. You'll be prompted to choose what Gmail should do in your scenario. Because we're connecting Gmail to Make, start by selecting a trigger. A trigger is the event in Gmail that starts your automation, such as when a new email arrives or when a message is labeled. Pick the trigger that best matches what you intend to automate. After choosing the trigger, click Create Connection. This tells Make that you're ready to securely link your Google account. A Google sign-in window will pop up. Select the Google account you want to use with Make and sign in. If you see a permissions screen, review the requested access and click. Allow to grant Make the necessary permissions. This is required so Make can read the trigger events you chose and act on them. If you use a work or school account, you may need your administrator's approval. If that applies to you, plan accordingly. When the permissions are granted, the window will close and you'll be returned to Make, where your new Gmail connection will be selectable in the module. You should now see that the trigger is ready to run. If a pop-up blocker interferes with the sign-in window, temporarily allow pop-ups for Make so the Google prompt can appear. Also double-check that you selected the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple inboxes. That's it. You logged into Make, visited Connections to orient yourself, opened the Scenario Builder, added a module with the plus sign, selected Gmail, chose your trigger, created the connection, signed in with your Google account, and allowed permissions. Your Gmail is now connected to Make, and you're ready to build powerful, reliable automations.